Welcome to Verillo Motor Car. Today we're pleased to present this 1968 Chevrolet Corvette 427 435 horse, finished in rally red with red interior and a white soft top. This car is a recipient of a comprehensive frame-off restoration just completed. It's a 435 horse tri-power 4-speed manual transmission. Got redline tires, bi-supply redline tires. See how complete it is underneath the hood. Everything is correct. It's got a factory smog system on it. Tri-power carburetors, triple chrome plated valve covers. Absolutely stunning restoration. You can see the paint, the finish on the paint is like lipstick. It's absolutely gorgeous. Better look at the engine here. It's a beautiful red interior. Absolutely perfect condition. 4-speed manual transmission. Okay, now for the best part, we're going to hear what this 427 435 horse sounds like. For more pictures and information, visit verillomotorcar.com.